just spoke about it. It's a multi-tier security development wherein your perimetry, your houses, your lobbies, your complete space is under surveillance across. फायर सेफ्टी ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है, शायद फोटो इतना अच्छा नहीं है, बट द पॉइंट फॉर डेली लिविंग इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इन केस ऑफ फायर, हाई राइजेस में सब कुछ सेफ होता है. यू हैव स्प्रिंकलर्स, यू हैव एवरी फ्लोर बीन इक्विप्ड विद फायर सेफ्टी इक्विपमेंट्स. बट लो राइज में आई कैन रियली आस्क यू, आप मुझे कोई एक लो राइज बताओ जहां चारों फ्लोर में, रादर पांचों फ्लोर्स में अक्रॉस एक हॉस्पिटल सिस्टम and a dedicated 5,000 liter of tank, over a tank at the building is for such situation. गुड़गांव की अगर situation बताए, I think fire services, I don't think so they are so robust that in the case of emergency can be attended as quickly as even 5 minutes or 10 minutes. So this adds a lot of value for the people who will live in Birla Navya as a feature. Water conservation, we are a sustainable development company. We focus very much on water conservation. So just a small point, हम सबके घर में AC होता है, हम सबके घर में RO होता है. Nobody knows उससे जो water drip हो रहा है, उससे जो water waste हो रहा है, where is it going? We are very carefully we say कि वो हमने अपने pot में डाला हुआ है या वो flower pots को जाता है, landscape area को जाता है. But yes, at Birla Navya we are collecting all this waste water for reutilization and re-implementation, while you can garden your landscape spaces, for your car washes and etc. work. So no water wastage is there in these developments while we offer Birla Navya. So basement with sunken coat, this I think I can proudly say Birla Navya introduced this concept of sunken coats to Gurgaon, जहाँ फ्लोर डेवलपमेंट में बेसमेंट जब हम सुनते थे तो हमें लगता था कि डिंजी स्पेस, नो वेंटिलेशन, नो सनलाइट, वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू मेंटेन, इट कैन नॉट बी यूज एनीथिंग बेटर देन अ स्टोर. बट प्लीज आप बिरला नव्या की एक बार बेसमेंट विजिट करिए. द पीपल जस्ट आर फैसिनेटेड टू ओन ऑलवेज द बेसमेंट यूनिट एट बिरला नव्या, विच अलाउज ऑलमोस्ट 500 square feet to 800 square feet of open area, which allows lot of natural light and air in your basements. So these are absolutely livable basement while you see at this development. Private terraces, the 4th floor owner gets a private terrace at our development. These are all design spaces. We give you a aesthetic terrace to do your choice of furniture, your choice of temporary structures. So these are few glimpses of Birla Navya. A lush green gated community with lot of landscapes and hardscape spaces, space for every age group in this compound has been curatedly developed. Just have a look. So we are taking care of lot of aesthetic in this community. We are offering you water spaces. So about the amenities at Birla Navya, I'll just take you through. It has a mini soccer field in the compound. It has a cricket practice enclosure for the early childhood, amphitheater, movie screening hall. It's an outdoor screening hall which will be there in the central lawns of Awake at Birla Navya. Then we have a forest zone, a palm court, a skating rink, a kids play area, pet park, lawn bowling, fitness station, yoga zone, rock climbing wall, bamboo gardens, lily pond, floor games for the kids, badminton court. So आई थिंक ये साइजेबल एमेनिटीज हैं. कई सारी चीजें भी इसमें नहीं डाल पाए हम लोग. ये आप लोग प्लीज आके वहाँ हमारी सेल्स गैलरी में एक्सपीरियंस करिए. बट आई थिंक लाइक आई वाज सेइंग अर्लियर इन दिस प्रेजेंटेशन, इस तरीके की फ्लोर डेवलपमेंट फॉर अस लाइक माइंडेड पीपल in Gurgaon rarely exist, right? And especially such developments coming from a corporate brand like Aditya Birla Group, it itself is a greatest offering you can offer to your customers. Now coming to the specifications of the project. So the living dining has Italian marble flooring done. Your bedrooms are done with good quality of wooden laminates. Kitchens are modular kitchen with hob and chimney. And the bathrooms are fully done up with your CP fittings and shower partitions. So this is all about the literature. थोड़ा boring भी हो सकता है, but I think a lot of practical and factual facts we have covered in this presentation. So I'll just request my team to play a little glimpse of Birla Navya for the audience.
You're not just the CEO. You're the one who swings the deals in the charcoal grey suit. You're also the one who adds the charcoal at the family barbecue. And the artist struggling with the strokes of charcoal on canvas. That's why where you live must have spaces for the different sides of you. A private terrace for meetings with the stars. A spacious home to create memories worth a lifetime. And a private basement to find yourself in your creations. Be every you want to be, with life design spaces for every you. A wing at Birla Navya.